Hello. Posiji Ju Hanano Royal Patrons Gold, Diamond, Silver, my tohi posang abe. Lishino nila bi that I he bisa stage pa bi seat puvo no nila his posang abe. Royal Patrons my to Gold, Diamond, Silver nila bi that I he bisa. Lishino stage no nila bi hana hai soda kai we. Lishino pa stage no nila bi puvo no posang abe.
God blessed them and said unto them, Be fruitful and multiply, and replenish the earth, and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over every living thing that moveth upon the earth. This is the word of God. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and this is NG Sherry Bliss, and I will be your host for the next couple of hours. As we are here today to celebrate the past, to enjoy the present, and to look forward to the future, I would first like to extend my sincere gratitude to the Almighty for His blessings, for His grace, for making this event a resounding success. Rara kasura mai kala pashuwe habibunu ile mai vishinza taili avai taiti avai puvi no pamana du habibu panda lung avano kalashe ala ahan chesono program committee mai tohinza kala pashuwe habibunu lelo hoshwa biji iro program hi tukui vasano. Polio Day 2025 under the theme Honoring the Common Heritage is a grand celebration of the shared heritage, unity, and cultural legacy of the Lepaona, a sub-circle of the Poumai Naga tribe. Rooted in the lineage of the progenitor Leo, the Lepaona people have preserved the traditions through communal feasts, agricultural festivals, and craftsmanship that once played a vital role in the Naga rituals. Set in the scenic Purul Atongba village, this year's celebration honors the spirit of fraternity and solidarity among the 29 Lepaona villages, from their rich agrarian lifestyle to their deep connection with nature. The event highlights the history, customs, and the blessings of their fertile homeland. As the Lepaona come together, they remember their ancestors, embrace their cultural identity, and forge a stronger future as one people. So once again, I would like to extend my warmest welcome to all the delegates, special invitees, friends, and especially to our esteemed dignitaries who have graced us with their presence here on the dais today. So, without further ado, let me now welcome our various Lepaona artists to kindly come up here on the stage and present the theme song. Lepaona artists may tono ju tapata lepo vuliz kalolai. Hello. Check, check.
Hello.
Check, check. Hello. Hello.
Check, check, check.
Hello. 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 Check.
Check, check. Hello. Hello. Check, check. Hello. Check, check. Hello, hello. Check.
Oh hey, oh hey, Lepaona. He your hey, he your hey, he your hey, he your hey, he your hey.
Upo wizai do, onaka do leke.
Lepaona. He your head, he your head, he your head, he your head, he your head. Kono hideaway, Lepaona kasa, bai ka chila ke the shine.
My we
She decided
so bon
everything.
only soon like
La visual Lepaona. He your head, he your head, he your head, he your head, he your head. Upa wijay do, bonaka do leke. Bye pa we hasho, I like boy.
Birthday,
Yakuku,
Peru,
Zerasua.
only soon like
La visual
Thank you so much. We are deeply honored to have witnessed your performances. Thank you to all the various artists of Lepaona. And up next, we have the welcome address. And I now would like to call upon our respected Ino V. Thaisa, President, Lepaona Naga Union, to kindly come up here on the dais and address his welcoming notes. Sir, no tapaw tayo po vuli sa kalulay.
Happy Pauli Day to you all. Greetings to all my fellow Paulio lineage, well-wishers, guests and the host village Haduna. For us, celebrating Paulio Day manifests our being, our ways of knowing tradition, the shared values and aesthetic system, identity, culture, and togetherness in the true spirit of our themes, honoring our common heritage. This stems from the epistemological premises of our shared cosmology, which is deeply embedded and embodied in our ecology, and it's part from Michael to present inhabitants of Lepaona today. Paulio Day is a manifest of our being and connect to all the past true culture, dances, legends, sounds, stories, feasting, and let us celebrate togetherness rooted in the philosophy of egalitarian principle. Let this celebration be the embodiments of our life role and experience our reality in our own language, history, and narratives. I hope this festival invoke the centrality of our relationship with the land and social relations within and outside of our constellation, of both general as well as highly particularized and situated ways of coexistence and a preservation of interpersonal relations at individual, cultural, and socio-spatial levels through the practice of oral, discursive, and material memory of history through arts, celebrations, and performances. As we gather here today, we honor the customs passed down from our ancestors, the sounds and dances that echo our journey, and the stories that we have shared, that we have shaped who we are as a community. These traditions bind us, offering us a deep sense of identity and belonging. Against these backdrops, I'm pleased to welcome each and every one of you with immense pride and joy to this historical celebration of Paulio Day 2025. With open arms and gratitude, I warmly welcome our chief guest, Honorable MLA Government of Nagaland and leader of MPF Legislature Party. Functional President J. Komosha, Honorable MLA 47 Kharon AC, Government of Manipur. Guest of Honor Timika Koza, President Tinimi People's Organization. Special guest Wikozaji Nika, President Tinimi Junon Dimapur. CD Jonjo John, Secretary Administration TPO. President Poumai Naga Junon and his college. President Maram President, Maram Junon and his college, President Tangal Junon and his college, Paul Reno, social worker MPA to former Speaker Government of Nagaland, Wiki Hili Victor, Vice President APO, President Esisa and his college, President Poumai Notumaime and his college, President Poumai Tsudomame and his college, and all the invitees on the dais and off the dais. As we share in the dances, sound, feast, and stories today, in tone with our ancestors, let us remember the ties that bind us, our respect for nature, our reverence for elders, and our unwavering solidarity. Let us all embrace the beauty of our shared experience and the joy that comes from being a part of this incredible community. Velo biju, Lepaona, nahi velo biju, teni, zikiti, zini, pipo, kai kuti, huja kuti, ju, neto, his welcome sonibi, po. Kichuruku with the Lohoro Pokin Nebuni Hito Lepaona, with the Zuki, Neto Vemorshi, Tiki Hai, Nahana Hai, Menin Le Hai, the Puloe, so ito, Nahanahini, Licho Sulaki, Daitijo. Nahana Hai, Lashi Pujuna, Gina my vid the Juna, Hind the Sotijuna. Savajuna, Kamai Samai Polujuna Dini. Gikalava Alibai, Paulio Del Namato Jo Vedre Diro. Lashijupu, Rakiduni Bupuloni, Katapo, Diju, Velo Biju, Paulio Namai Del my Namato, we suppose Sunnibi. Once again, I welcome each and every one of you with open arms, and I look forward to an unforgettable celebration and honoring our common heritage. Thank you, and may our festival be filled with joy, peace, and togetherness. Enjoy the celebrations, and may our progenitor Paulio Day continue to guide us and bless each and every one of you. Kuk Nalim. Gallery.
Thank you, sir. Kaloshere, sir, natapa vidao sujichi do hemai suhi kapivanu. Coming up next, we have the keynote addressal and presentation from our respected Inaugural, Member Secretary of the Central Organizing Committee. Sir Nupapi with Telepo Vuliza Kalole.
Honorable dignitaries on the dais, allow me to address my people on my own dialect. Tavilula biju Paule Pona Tau Sholia Kemanguzi Neleshwa biju Namikini Viju Paulio Tau Ini Daisovani Paulio de Nage Ruju I Paule More Do Doju Azunit Biju Nikopi biju LNU President Alia COC convener ni Dao polio ni Kamakini Ratajuni Chukute Polio de Kabdani Nagir ni Do Pauchevide Yo ini Naleswa biju Polio Tao Aliswa biju Na Alivi Lup biju Lup poju Chihana Nikho biju Tsakimetohi Polio Dev concept hana hai Nalema ali tausoni Nito hi challenge surai
Dai Geliza, Yutite Itoni, Polio de Nojuhai, Nitongoluni, in the pie, in Horoje. Daisavani Joliza, Hi Bibini, my son of Zahini. The Pokisha Ali Jaisoni, Tave Polio de Noho, Polioni, Kamakini Raitaju, Alini Ali Chaviju, Alini Ali Ku Hoju. Look, Tautinani Pluni with Noho, Jaisuni with Nosa, Nihini Tsosul Biju, the Pukimeto, Nihini, Kwa Biju, Ito Lepaona guardian, Ma Alili Hiza, Koshin Surai. Respected dignitaries on the dais, the frontal organizations from Senapati districts. Today, I stand here not just as an individual. I stand here as a youngster yearning for unity, yearning for peace, yearning for harmony among the communities from different tribes of Manipur, Nagaland, as in Naga. Respected dignitaries and all the members present here, I look to you. My generations look to you, the guardian of our history and the architect of our communities, with a hope and a plea. Let us come together. Let us join our hands together before it is too late. Our generations is going to be torn apart by differences rather than joining us together as one. Tavelo abiju, blepu kimeto, boleo tau alisoni, ineto hizo korai, ke, yo hai bibani, boleo taitin noju je bibani, loro alisoni, alini alilishiani, neto tau, Takure generation maito alili, koleni, kauna ni hajole kirni. We cannot address a hini zashoni. My son is a surai, a Jew introduction. Titili zashoni so much shiju wasn't isule. Right, Kaswani. I plea your pardon because there is a program afterwards. I won't be able to call each one of you one by one and hand over our recommendation. So I will shortly cut short it to very few people on the program. First of all, I call upon our Honorable Sir Inaugural Azo Ninu, Honorable MLA, the Government of Nagaland, and also the leader of the Naga People's Federation Naga People's Federation. Tony, low, so my Tony, ito honorable guest at Talo Subula Zakalola. Sir, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are graced with a performance that transcends mere movement. It is a living tradition, a dance reserved for only the most revered occasions. This is no ordinary display of art. It is a ceremonial offering, a tribute extended to those who stand as pillars of honor, wisdom, and distinction among us. Performed by the most eligible bachelorettes, chosen not only for their grace, but for their standing within the community. This dance embodies the spirit of reverence and gratitude. Every step, every gesture carries a blessing, a silent prayer for longevity, for prosperity, and for a life rich in honor. It is a moment where youth meets legacy, where vitality pays homage to wisdom. Traditionally, this sacred performance
Next, I call upon ito functional president Zereso Biju J. Kumusha, Honorable MLA 47 Karong AC. Ito Zereso Biju J. Kumusha 47 Karong ito my Southausa the represent Suva Biju Honorable MLA. Next, I call upon our guest of honor, Ino Timika Koza. Sir Ino Timika Koza, President, Tenemis People Organization. Ito Shedu Wiswa Biju Ino Timika Koza, President, Tenemis People Organization. Next, I call upon a special guest, Ino Viko Sai Naka. Ino Viko Sai Naka, President Tenemis Union, Dimapur. I also call upon the volunteers to adorn our chief guest with our Lepaona traditional attires. I also call upon our volunteers to adorn our chief guest, Ino Kozululu Azonino, with our Lepaona traditional attire. I call upon our chief guest to kindly stand up. Volunteer में तो लिखनी था पूरा ना कोई तो even slowly beat है मैंने ito ngozo hi mai supa hi popa ju shimo shilai ju mai doli bilure svani ini pito jizo chopa wisule. Now I will introduce the entourage from our honorable chief guest. I request all the entourage who has come with a chief guest to kindly stand up on your feet, and I acknowledge your presence. Tavela biju maiso ini jipo pawireliza bakhali nito ito chief guest kolini veju maito it's khu jesu ngot so ani nito batawa right rekasoni Ino Gonio Siri, General Secretary, NPF Central. I kindly request our sir to kindly stand up on his feet. Thank you, sir. Next, Keso Tenio, General Secretary, NPF Central. Next, J. Nikio Lusa, General Secretary, NPF Central. Next, Nisakuli Rutsa, President, Kohima Division, NPF. Next, Visa
Vilasali Tenio, Vice President, NPF Kohima Division. Next, Kevilonio, Working President, Women Wing. Next, Vizokonio Penny, General Secretary, Youth Wing. Madam and sir, we have a gift with our receptionist team. Because of the paucity of time, I have cut short. Please don't mind. May you get the reception from the, may you get the presentation from the reception booth. Tego ito special invitation lo biju. Zupu visho my lili ni jiku kalamore ito taila hat hepne. Right keswani Poumai Naga Union neto tavelo biju my paish ni my lili ni bihine la ni my so pahi neto juza ngawo. Antishuko Mau Council, Imemichinova Buju, Mau Council and team. Next, Maram Union. Next, Inpui Naga Union. Representative from Inpui Naga Union. Then Thangal Union. Teshuko. Ito 47 Karong Kendrahini Ito Zakuzudu Shabiju Ito Kobuya Biju Honorable Sir J. Kumu Shah and his entourage. My wish ni neto station Pama Bizuma Lishini Lavio Neto Viste Netoni Biju Bihini Kumu Shah and his entourage. Next, the team from Sanabdi District Students Association, please do kindly stand up on your feet. May we acknowledge your presence. The team from Poumai Naga Tsudumai Me, the president and his colleagues, and also Poumai Naga Union subordinates, Pamata Council, Chilevai Naga Council, Hini Via Bizuma Kimeto, my Supahil, Yushi, which is the Sungola, Kalore, Teshuko, Ito, Poumai Naga, now to my me, President and all her teams, plus Lepaona Naga women, plus Pamata Naga women, Chilevai Naga women, my wish in love. Haini introduction suits the Sony, my Lilini Sapa, present Puril Neto, ito program with Hepene, Nako Najusul Hepene, Nako Netovi acknowledgement high, ito reception team hini, Puvil is the Carlo Lerni. Haini Netohi requesturai to the other frontal organizations apart from the Poumai Naga Union, my dear SDSAs, the Jelendrong Students Union, the Thangal Students Union, and the Maram Students Union, whosoever are there with you, we have a small token of gratitude from the organizing committee and also the Lepaona Naga Union. So kindly don't forget the memento from us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite the dedicated members of the Finance Committee to come and take their time. Co-convener of the Finance Committee, you may kindly come up on the stage and take your time.
Leo Namai Poki Churule Daulimono Kai 2025 the February 20th here Damosilare Leonamato Puve Daumosire Leonamato Ale Vezashimo Shire Leonamato alle ve le shi le sha hai mamele somo shire ro executive maino advisor maino alenu hino spa maito no program sopa zo khapo 2025 dono hopu tare no doso ila program solera program ro solera phai ana program ale sola hi hai thosana lumo soli shiza mai vai shinu se sabano kaza be hino dai hino source kana hino pupaliano leo na ma to pu ve dele ra zoku tali hi kyuwi shuji Lepaona te de hino kyuwi shuji ma dao le hai Lepaona le shiji ma dao le hai dao mo shire ra finance committee ma to executive ma to hu dao ta tali hi zoi to no hai be ve dele ze le la wi shuji zadi shuji ma dao le hai pupa ji so ngao su le mai su le sinu me bu sho hameto wano ito ju ito no ve dia biji ji to no vaji saji hana hai hameto wano bai pus ile mai le sahini chulu no taile shoma le sinu hame vo pus I tavelo abji delegates alera tavelo abji polio na mai holo halono via abji tenemi pame mai washi za I taile hana hai puabe suno taile hai shono pu ama mubisho de tu no pu bere sama pui mai to hai lisino ito finance committee me to hi vamoji hana hai su sho pa za I raya taile pu mo de no pabe polio day honoring our common heritage taile taule tala biji po October hino soputa neto we satisfied solimoala ana ito no sore ito we khauko to za pupa so ano ese paino thosana hino pupa jipa biji mai to cho pupa ino masuhi pupa lape so la give committee mai to no lesino so no ino ji pupa cho pa pire lo za dawile kalo le alera pula biji mai to na lesino sa no receive so nervi lili nervi zapa vete mama sa jahino lo polio namai lishi jahino pupo beze I pawe rare kaswa jovi polio de hanahi ito chief host sopuora ito no apro so telihi ito ja ino didi thesa honorable as MLA 47 Crown SC government of Manipur pelu le telihi pene e aura chief of sopue thosana to le sokapue le shino ito serno ito we give na hai pupu le kalo le serve mama ito madam no le shino sp so le sha madam ni no kisila ito we give hai pupu le kalo le give committee me to tha pupu yo chief host Madam Boya Sale Lue, Sir Pamot, Pen serving not what a Madam P. Percal of Ibatare. Up next, we have Chief Patron. Chief Patron, alera Royal Patron, Zota Vedia Biji. Polio nama kau ke voila thau ge loser ino case ko honorable as MDC government of Manipur host village ja ko no sha lak dayo thering upiano polio nama vore duno penu ilevi chief patron sowe pona lesini le give sa popule kalore give ma to lesino thako wa Taylor pulare anu now koke ila hamani ila voila tapeno unga guess my vamela the live anu ila listener ta phana hamya chire pulai na memento okay president pu ba semaro dole sokha musilain sokha tare royal patron Lepaona Betono Chief Patron Royal Patron Hametono ile Zoko Kehi Vela Pele Mai Adai ile Mihi Veluabe Pele Tono Kajujo Pueluza 1,50,000 Lak Aleo Terengo Pue RS Henry Hale S Chairman ADC Koide Matak Village RS Henry Hale S Chairman ADC Being a laviba, ito give my dog type of baby here. And my sura sort of she to peo. Lepaona via busy, my head to she to peo, that she to peo. Vopile. My previa pui later, so die. My previa te cover. My previa. Okay, color. Okay. R.J. Jonathan Tao, State Vice President, BJP Manipur Pradesh, Oinam Hill Village. R.J. Jonathan Tao. Papa, dapuyo. Mas sebab tau re lagi. Ile nau hame wano sutu lare. Mai pewa papa puiba. Mai pewa sudai. Hame to we tele dawle lula nu tailo no tha ba la hame to we tele dawle lu chere ile we kho tele ya mi bi kho e pui me da mi bi pui ba no tele ha dawle lu chere ma solution no so okay ke lamcho pho special contractor pa ha zo shilai ba no ile mi velu lumre velu telim pui be chere ha kana zek entrepreneur Purul Atongba village How can Jake family mahani bebe? My pa lapo, my pa apu apu be kalula. My pa apu apu be kalula. colore cho diamond patron sana lakle Poumai ile we many sono ko ya more alphabetical order ne to le hetare deino pui nasa deino pui rasa rama to le he so maliboy ano alphabetical order ne to le he so ko represent mai suhi rain pausa be LD Rainer ex member ADC Purul Atongba village sana lak ali diamond patron LD Rainer Purana Stacy papi po ron Lepaona ano veli moroho LD Rainer me mo pare nanu dawi bachire Voyo Samuel manager private sector Hong Kong Purul Atongba village Voyo Samuel về mũ pare nanu dawi bachire ngole liba MFS Manipur Finance Service Superintendent of Taxes Department of Taxes Government of Manipur ngole liba MFS Dr. Robin Poumai Hini, founder and president, Compassion Children Ministries, Khamson Village. Dr. Robin Poumai Hini. Diamond Patron में तो रहे, सना लाग ले पी में तो रहे. Chim here. So I hope why have you Thilu Lanamai, Superintendent, Custom and Central GST, Ministry of Finance, Government of India, Khamson Village. Thilu Lanamai. The has of Velimopare, the Sononan Daubichire, James Spanner, MCS, SDO, SDM, Koide Makha Village, James Spanner, MCS. Bắt đầu là kìa cái lẽ tao mò bữa là nó chỉ biết tao mua xin lại Colore Savio Khole Vice President BJYM Manipur Pradesh Member Airport Advisory Committee Koide Makha Village Savio Khole. Thứ hai đi ta về tel mobile pare. Nanu dawi bachire. Gold Patron. Sana theringu le rai pi me to hai lak ale puye chi pi me to hai theringu. BY Liba SADC member Timba Kolen Village. BY Liba. Gold Patron. Vemo. Nanu daw buchire Hipune Bismarck, Deputy General Manager, DGM, SBI, Timbakono Village. Hipune Bismarck, ba ve mobile pare. Hipune Leo, ex-ADC member, Timbakolen Village. Hipune Leo, ve mobile pare. KX Noluna, former President LNU, Kwede Maka Village. KX Noluna, former President Lepaona Naga Union. Living over. Okay, very. Padopuyo. Ko bu la bo ko. Ah, 对吧? MV Ngopuna, retired headmaster, Kwede Matak Village. MV Ngopuna. Pe ve mama namalina puvyo. Okay. Nanu da ubachire NG Amos Lana, assistant commandant CRPF, Purul Atongba Village. NG Amos Lana. Ve Mumbai pare. Pierre Amos, Headman, Kabunkono Village. Pierre Amos, Headman, Kabunkono Village. Pierre Sandua, former President LNU, Ngamju Village. Pierre Sandua, former President Lepaona Naga Union. Su satu za pikhai anu pupa to kakawa no nanu pikhai bele su sa za pikhai la. Now press Poumai to the Poumai visu Poumai visho Poumai visu za ila dutelo backstage sine pila. PT Hunatui, Inspector Manipur Police Telecom, Purul Atongba Village, PT Hunatui. Oh, hello bire. Hai pan ko pui bene. Right here. RB Lemo, Inspector retired, Manipur Police, Kwede Maka Village. RB Lemo, Inspector, retired Manipur Police, Kwede Maka Village. Colore. R.S. Livingstone, Advocate, President, Old Tribal Law Association, Manipur. R.S. Livingstone, Advocate, President, Old Tribal Law Association, Manipur. Timbakono Village, Atimba Kolen Village. Bebe Musa. Be Mumbai Pare, Nan Daubuchire, SP Lawrence Lonso, former President, Lepaona Naga Union, Tinson Kolen Village. SP Lawrence Lonso. TH Jimmy, entrepreneur, Kwede Maka Village. TH Jimmy. TH Jimmy. What couples of Poumai Masana Puli way and none of the Wibachire Hay Hasoloza. TN Taiko, retired DI of school, Kwede Maka Village. TN Taiko, retired DI of school, Kwede Maka Village. William Savina, Inspector CRPF, Purul Atongba Village. William Savina, Inspector CRPF. ve mobile phara nan da uba chire akha khale so no silver patrons rupees 25,000 silver patrons ma to ji ne chokoi sula di isho social worker Kabun village di isho social worker Kabun village về ho về này Dr. James Vincent, MBBS, MD, Medicine, Timbakolen Village. Dr. James Vincent, MBBS, MD, Medicine, Timbakolen Village. Dr. James? Oh, hello, Larry. Listen, stay up a bit, but Janati, they go to Dr. N.G. Wilson Changyo, Specialist OB-GY, MHS, Grade 3, Koide Makha Village. Dr. N.G. Wilson Changyo. Ve mobile pare, nan da obachire. Hayes Luna Justin, Social Worker, Purul Atongba Village. Hayes Luna Justin, Social Worker, Purul Atongba Village. Hakanas Sanuru Vio, Head Women, Purul Atongba Village. Per Sanuru Vio. Per what to do? Camera me don't hold on. Oh, be re. Ila give high pitali, ila guess me to vapuye, ila one time two. Bakale ni wang hai so lepas so lepas zaman suno coba le jipu bama tahu tu thelen te give pui biye Joseph Lana, Deputy Director, Directorate of Census Operation, Manipur, MHC, Government of India. Joseph Lana, Purul Atongba Village. Hãy tập cái này. K. Rainer, Manipur Rifle, Purul Atongba Village. K. Rainer, Manipur Rifle, Purul Atongba Village. K. Rainer, Horse Village. Nanu da ubachire. Kazi Grayson, Branch Manager SBI, Timbakolen Village. Kazi Grayson, Branch Manager SBI, Timbakolen Village. Ve mo pare. KS Philip Basso, Headmaster, Kapo Village. Finance Committee here lue. To hai pe ve te hon da obichire. Kalore. M Sunny, Chief Manager SBI, Timbakono Village. M. Sana, Chief Manager SBI, Timbakono Village. PM Hana, Retired AI of Schools, Timbakono Village. PM Hana, Retired AI of Schools, Timbakono Village. Paul Lana, Manager SBI, Purul Atongba Village. Paul Lana, Manager SBI, Purul Atongba Village. RB Pana, President PNU, Koide Makha Village. RB Pana, President Poumai Naga Union, Koide Makha Village. Nong popular, sir. Okay. L. Robinson Rong, Headmaster Ngamju Village. L. Robinson Rong. S. Haluna, Headman, Kuze Village. S. Haluna, Headman, Kuze Village. Okay, very. S. Johnson, Social Worker, Kabung Village. S. Johnson. S. Johnson. Le Vieng Awe. Hay nè, pa nè. Hanabe next, THS show special contractor, Koide Makha Village. THS show special contractor, Koide Makha Village. Okay, the next, Y Benison Po, MJS, DSP Jail Government of Manipur. Y Benison Po, Manipur Jail Service. DSP Jail Government of Manipur, Purul Atongba Village. Benison Po. Về mobile pare ila dao mo to na dao bu chire tele to le pure the previso ana hame to one jovi to no press bu mama ito kokhe vai lai to bu have is ito hame to one ito program soluvan tele dao le pure the previso et pahino ito chief Patron hana pevi program vai shi za ito lopana hai corporation pule pe mai suno hana hai bahapta we will kalola tele hana hai pui vi wan kalore. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for honoring our guests and delegates. Up next, we have the Poumai Peshrolo, a special song which will be presented to us by the Poumai Nautumai Me Senapati Karong area. Jua Poumai Nautumai Me hino lo avui kajua solake pidono tapa tele populiza kalolai.
Ha ho adore carry ara now refer I they are mouth are copa ho asazama teo de roma
Kalushre habai na tu mai mieto kai vashre sawishre mai sukima de mai to lokai lu no le jo jo phari joy sawu ya biju mai shi pai zara mai pa mahavi salutio. Once again, thank you. Proceeding next, we have the exhortation from our guest of honor for the function today. So with great honor and profound respect, I would like to invite our esteemed guest of honor, Ino Timika Koza, President of the Tinyami People's Organization, to deliver the exhortation. Sir, please.
The President of the Lepaona Naga Union, the President of Poumai Naga Union, Mr. Puna, Honorable Mr. Kazolezo Nenu, the NPF Legislature Party Leader and his entourage, the Honorable Mr. Komusha, the legislator of the 47 Karong constituency, those who are sitting in the dais, the village leaders, the Gamboras, and all the ladies and gentlemen. I wish the Lepaona Day a very long life. May we continue to grow and dwell on this peaceful path. I was in Delhi when this program was made. Mr. Anthony Slay called me up that they want to put my name into the program. I told him I was busy attending a complicated case, but he said it should be all right. Then I found that my name is already there. Thank you so much for giving me this platform to speak to you. I'm ever grateful to Purul village for hosting the Tinime People's Organization General Conference. We had a busy schedule that day, and I couldn't thank the villagers. Therefore, today I have come to thank the whole village. It is always good to remember this village. You have set aside a particular date, the 10th of May, as a community rice plantation. This year, I'll try my best to come back and participate in that. It is always good for all of us to participate in the community development, not only the festival, but even the work. We must improve our work culture. We always have a slogan of work and eat. We must work and eat. Those who are lazy, they are not supposed to eat. I think the Tinime people were 10 tribes. We all have adopted this resolution that we must work and eat. Today is another special day. The Pochuri tribe has been blessed with Deputy Commissioner Mallory. Earlier, we had only 4 Deputy Commissioners, 4 districts. In fact, the Angamis, they have Kohima, Dimapur, Chamukedima, then Zeliang, they have 1 headquarter deputy commissioner, then Semenu also they have, then Peg we have. Now the last is Mallory. We are equal partners. We must always look for each other and help each other. We will always work for the interests of the Nagas. We will always work for the interests of our cause. It can never be compromised. Well, today the time is short. I'll not speak much. Let us all go back from this village, remembering that Purul village is blessed with the bountiful blessings. We have seen with our own eyes. The village is bounded with the beautiful paddy fields, with water. Therefore, this village is known as an example of rich Tinime village. We will all go to our respective homes, remembering your generosity, your kindness, your love. We will always celebrate the good works you have done. And remember, the 10th May is the date set for the rice plantation. Let us all be a part of it, and may God bless all of us. May God bless all the leaders who work for the community. Long live Lepaona. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your insightful and inspiring words of wisdom. I'm sure your words have truly left an impact on us all. And up next, I would like to give a short time to the host village. Jo host village may tano tailet za shua no tabapile taile po village za kalolai.
Inu digital 是瑞，来今年也苏卡贝人那是原来，拉基也对跑苏不就马保黑牛，也苏卡不就是原来，来告诉你让么干了 boy， 啊还这不是呢，一到就为了不就 chief guest of honor， 啊了。special guest pito kalu hana boy jo pito ni velo muskot le to no ha velo ma ana pito velo wane ito no ha velo ju solure doni chukude kau yu silip ma bedam ni kau na kau zo takul wane pito kalu hana bobe ju to ni presentation tidle pai pule do pai holomo ju to so wane jo ito ni presentation pile. Now, I would like to call upon Chief Guest Ino Kozo Lozo Azo Nino, Honorable MLA, Nagaland, and leader of NPF Legislature Party. Please kindly stand up and receive our token of love from host village. Thank you, sir. Next, we have Ino Komo Shah, Honorable MLA 47 Karong, AC, Manipur. Kalau sure ito MLA ni zakusuni ito ngita velo piwane. Next we have Ino Timika Koza, President Tinime People Organization. Thank you. Next, we have Ino Viko Saye Nekha, President Tinime Union Dimapur. Thank you, sir. Ansuko ito ni Jiu ito ni price pay na suju may ahai celebrate sa tetorlo sinikusu ito ni lapil kalole ito kel mo view ito ni ngasalo ni puro ali noju ali suple dira hosma to ni kel mo ni pibu ni kusu lapil kalole. Next, Asia view. Puro ito ni noju ali supile. Teko next, ito emhane PU President ito ni may noju ali supine. Emhane PU President. Sekolah Take next all the donors of Handuna. Neto lusini neto dopo holmu yumato neto lusini kus lapul kalole neto buni dop ngolu yumato dopul yumato ha yo lusini neto buni vie mai lusini kus lapul kalole. ini power hani khasibule culture masuni kainu buwane. Thank you.
College today presentation Telibu host village by the Puharawa Puma Hawi Solutio. And ladies and gentlemen, may I now direct your attention to a special number that holds great significance. Please join me in welcoming the Polio Ki Kilome with a warm round of applause. Polio Ki Kilome, Hameto welcome so no so wishing but over ke Pitonu Telipu village Kalole.
Lepaona
Thank you so much, Poloki Kalumai, for the wonderful performance. Thank you for your talent, showcasing your talent and your dedication. With that, let us now proceed to the next segment of this program. May I now invite our functional president, who was a former PNTM and ANSEM president, our renowned and respected Ino J. Kumosha, Honorable MLA 47 Karong SC, Government of Manipur, to kindly come up here on the stage and take his time. Sir, please.
Thank you, Chairwoman, for the time. Respected Chief Guest, Ino Kuzuluzo Azonino, Honorable MLA Government of Nagaland, and also the leader of the Naga People's Front Legislature, guest of honor, my uncle Timika Koza, President Tinimi People's Union, Tinimi People's Organization, special guest Ino Vikosai Neka, President Tinimi Union Dimapur. I will have to publicly tender my apology to the President Tinimi Naga Union Dimapur, Vikosai Neka, because in one of the occasions I have consented to grace their conference, whereas I have failed to be part of their program. Therefore, I am publicly tendering my apology on behalf of the actual function day. And also the chief host of the Polio Day 2025, my big brother, Dignitary, former Minister Government of Manipur, and Chief Patron, KS Koho, ex-MDC member, my worthy contestant, big brother Sulen Tony, and my big brother Jude Jonathan, to all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, headman, chief of Purul Atongba village, village chairman, secretary and authority council of Purul Atongba village, headman or chiefs of all the Lepaona Naga villages, chairman, secretaries and all the village authority council members of the Lepaona Naga villages. I see hosts of dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. I will not be able to mention each and every one of you in my address. However, kindly accept my equal respect and consider that you are all addressed in my address. I will straight away go for a request for grant of permission to speak in my Poumai language, especially to our chief guests and our guests of honor, and to all non-Poumai speaking friends and dignitaries present on the Polio Day 2025. I will ensure that I give maximum time to our chief guest, because he will not get a very often time to speak to you and address you. Whether you like it or not, maybe I will get more opportunities to speak and address you. Chief guest in Italy, chief Polio de nole dane kuzu bu jie la pade da zu ai zu bu ga zu pa dou de du si mo so it we Lepaona Naga Union with president we speech in a pode, pucha zero takude, pucha nahini vizor de. Polio den malamu partner the tsugude. Any sir, the poly den no like shady, puchia lakude, the sue. So I died at Sulu the guy. Albert Einstein, the corporate at Sulu. Albert Einstein, the corporate that governed Sulu the guy. Albert Einstein, the point lalibe. I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. I think what prejudice libe, there technology new. I the massive have one of his zommy meanings. The lab like more than no prejudice libe. With the advancement of technology, massive the voice zazama, ja to phone poor in different medias. Phone in chumoy, computer in chumoy, TV in chumoy, we all glued to it. That imitate the kaiwa. We have a zulusma, my misamusma, Bible more than Albert Einstein down 18th century, 19th century, Podak century dot sugar in the title, Albert Einstein body, Albert Einstein carbon more the aim. And thankfully, it is happening today. So, Lepaona ma, Poumai subsection subcircle Lepaona than Poumai bay than accused of Hatawi. Lepaona, Poliotiki relayed, and we have a relayer. And I'm so thankful for inviting me as one of a guest. And you may see a little bit given in the Trollo Popu. And you have Nandali cooling in my Impole 128 minute Saturday. I'll try to wrap up my speech in another 10 minutes or so. I'll also try to pull in those Poumai speaking people along with my speech. I will try to ensure that I keep you understandable. My entertainment is my service has super my libe. Papa Tauda, but the Tausu, I told you, Papa Tauda, the correct Christmas till social gathering, church many, my son, Paul Nilo, my son, so vast up where Nippon Raja Super. Paul in the Christmas social gathering, either 1,000 dosule, 95% undressed. Not the same, not the la, say to 1,000 dosule, Rabble. So, Sabaku, Ma Lanumone. No, some say to the Malanumone. A kind pony, that's a powder. Hey! Those who don't know, don't not so like Podala. 1,000 must so track as you, Pony Polas. 1,000 must so track you. Don't not so like Podala. Say this Situka, mine in Nomoka. 1,000 must so track you than the Podala and the Pony Pola. Let us go back to those days before we were exposed to technologies, social medias. Now Christmas no my service my maybe Zolone my so do the no ha was super was so Jutilio. No more. Ja phone puri TV ne ju new marry my YouTube social gathering be like that we follow there. I TV ju bala I phone gross be bala da. Daily ain't now be just hey my ju da po ngo bi daily level ngo na msada. Anu da any tutu na zona la zu we pra we da be there. Any example pomone no dale pomone ponu. There's my so treasure. The town is full of podala. Whereas, Zeo in Nali Melissa. My son, Lushiba Shabuya 47 Karongwe, MLA Aleda, GQG Sabrabuya. Manipu government with the Livima, Zeo, suspended animation to cut the bushi, they must MLA Ali, the Nijian and the Fukunim, the Huzun La. Politics is taluji of experience, any genealogy. Then I don't know so have Podino Vedic. Political doesn't try to so the way. Eligo. Politics someone but treasure than the Podala. Politics there. Vanu Poshalo. Jingomo to the Ngomun, not to the Vanu Poshalo. Hey, politics someone ballet, then a much treasure. Hey, Tomanama, politics top treasure, then the Podala is a have a Pohano. 只主于还这里头必须道具的是，你跑还能说呗？我跟你说不起，跑来的时候的哈克拉的，是老主哎。啊呢，但那的我跟你做主呗，比你比怎么哎？你有自己呢？因为人家都讲哦，politician 买哩。几对包，哎，你到手背了，对方手背了，起手背了，哈给了的卡的嘛，几对包嘛，没是为了卡对呢，没是为查对呢的，几对包我为不来的，为不来那的，哎，做了能我背来呗，哎，对哩，哎 ，politician 买的什么子，哎 ，politician 买几个啊西包。都他们老么臭味么腐味么的，哎，包的么的就肉啊，很关心臭味呗。哎，是我包的对里边个肉嘛啊，很 have a role 来的。了 MLA 啊，里是有的就 politician 嘛，里是呢了 MLA 啊，就 responsibility 负有的就 responsibility 就是的，and responsibility 还那的 challenging 到的还的就哎，这下个为么做了？你们懂你们认没？对的哈呢，包面哈呢，老包呢的规矩，买还多。politics 你们都能 keep 还没事了，你们都能到你不买啥数个杯，你们都是4位杯了，你们都5位杯了，你们都能做啊，不买啊，买水啊，老多呢，啥事的啥搞宝数个杯拜买的，就是啊为6斤的时候，哎，你们等下还不看到没？这味道。any the politician ma li sila MLA ali kala le bula ni any mu tsuga raja tsude ani raji mu tsuba ma zi visa a hini we face ma a hini we feel ma kunna probleme de ba ani juni le kunna lum MLA li asa political chair ali bua ni jingology kunna probleme de ji we real pinch zi visa we avas hini sei ne juni ngo he Madalene, kuna brulede, sorry, kuna brulede, kuna su habake de ju, opinion pay mo na ma pay. VIP culture su habake, function chief guest su habake de, opinion pay mo na ma. Opinion hai tay is air call appreciate su ba. Anu, kuna have a ito pa mi have a visa. Mi tay swa pura tay na de den any lutsi we. We never know 10 years down the line. We never know. We may literally beg for, or we may literally cry to organize a function like this. Technology in advance so that my shooting dada. My me have a way, my meet the Langolo, Cat, how many lay, Bakali da the Liga, Lepaona service Zubido, Poumai service Zubido, New my service Zubido, New my service Pubido, we go my mirror lesser, Tauswa, Buenos Valide, Dotilina, Mohamude, Cat the Lily has Supuke, did you, the Lily Vibala Mumo, Puchitalo, Latelo, did you, Mutsula, Zaid and the Daily Long water, so prulida, Fuprida, Noma, Titili. Puchitalo, 8 does in a tiny, free the lily double more, did you? Are we Mutsuli have a bear? Zoo, the post data user. Nini to you, any to you. The change that is happening before our eyes is beyond we can envision. I don't know, I don't imagine, so using da la data, the deposit shrubby. So what does the situation demands? What does the time demands? Change is inevitable. So what does the time demands in us to fit into its changes. That I tell you, that I tell you, kuwe de chi amutube. Ene ha tsulu. The situation, the time demands in us the intelligence and knowledge. So do ka kaju hasu you do you tell you zo. Ito hini demands de dan ene pulowe. So when power to doichi. I like to agree with Wilson's law. Wilson's law we chipo in inove. Dai Wilson's law the power the guy. If we prioritize intelligence and knowledge, wealth and success will always follow. Wealth and success will always follow. Success, it is in the broadest term. It is in broadest term. Success. Chingya nangya alavili yung ngalu yung vitilu ya tsuduka ha hasu pona no prioritize wa hana no bebe de no rai ni hana hai ni khai de lo chingya has hangya nini mutsu yu vitilu yu to te de ko an thai ta balai de be zo ido pongmoi ti de su mo de Musulman ni medo lopo medo no rabave oinam Purul koide so chao chu moi poi su lai po ki su lai lu po su lai ha ga deu su de ba po ba da lai de si ji ai de ne dai su we de kai go cha chi le we su ne tao tao de a deu su de a rou we wa re su ne deu po da lai de. Now, what does the society in us demands us in us today? It society that demands of it. Intelligence and knowledge. Wilson's law ne poiva. It was society. So do ka vain and doubt to be a hasan and doubt to be so it society that demands it more than you. A heaven and mutsula, you may think Chipoli high, heaven and shares in the we talk about unity. We talk about different achievement. We talk about integration. We talk about all this, everything under the sun. It is about the eating. Ane, zusun ane day muguza. Unity of Willamoy. Chuta ilitepra. Hasun ane day muguza. New people bale. Chika people bale. Because there is no level-headedness. Hasan and intellectual level na zoom de, intelligence level na zoom de, knowledge level na zoom de. This is a Hasan and Hasamona way, be the color, Hasamon and Hasan away Mutuna, Tisholo, this is a Edo, they did. Chipolitan care, Lushing in share, Chipolitan care, Aliso in share, and then Vitilo to the vigilante. So, what is important is to plant intelligence and knowledge in our society today. Suva ay mutsulove. Pili asupu watude akaisa ay point li have a kadaibale point li chipoli have ay mutsula. Hasu suwa ni pauyu lalibe. When an individual interest becomes bigger or larger than the community or the common interest, that or it certainly becomes a problem. My live interest, I live my live interest na community I live interest, my common interest na is na dua trawa bude de la. Tan is a people you how you profitable de you has many powder lalibe. Now I'm not referring to any problem. Problem hanalai the Poumai. Poumai did the problem, try the bill. Nagama did the problem, try the bill. They Poumai did the part of India. Tobacco, a chick hot of it. They didn't problem be. Problem then we'll have to identify the problem. Problem and die the problem. Historical problem cannot be solved with political problem. If it is social problem, it cannot be solved with religious problem, or religious solution. So religious solution, religious problem, we'll have to find a solution through religion. If there is a problem in social harmony, we'll have to find a solution based on social problem. Religious issue na pula social issue no, social issue na pula political issue no, political issue na pula historical issue no. That if we compound all the problems together to find a solution, there will be no solution. So what is important is to identify what is the problem in our society today. Aito society die problem be din za ito diagnose identify sit to you darka ve. So it is important, as I've mentioned, in power of which people hasu many power there hasu majin duluwe. Our interest na ne. Ni me to tay to interest na no sun du ba ga ni me to ino mo de tay da problem profit ba lai de ju la li be. So wa ne zo e pu mo na Lepaona pa mo ta chi le va de ji kyu ju sa de be over Lepaona pa mo ta chi le va de bu na ne a shi hai ane pe mi ha bu shi de ma tay de we zo ne Lepaona de we be ma pa mo ta de be ma chi le va de we be ma a khai na da ji we de Poumai de ji khai de chi Poumai de ji khai le Poumai da ji le de Nagamai de ji khai de chi de yu chi pa na be ta lo su de e ti li a so pu le mo de ka ti li so zo lo su ma ti li so li pu go de. Thank you, Lepaona Naga Union, for inviting me as one of the guests. I did do so on Babu Pilo. Allah he go Sutan lobby, my pain lobby, paina bima of a limitation. I need same limitation in Purul Atongba. Any matter, Hala do so solo there. Tailili, Konusuta Mozone, a program with Da, program Pulupuya, a function of Vitilo by Sumo. Assembly assembly session the 24 February the schedule the so ne zove assembly the series pola over a program with the by sumo the implement to hepa pimeto ne Poumai pimeto ku mo na I justicia hatchini with loma ash it away emele my police mo the power prayer so pimeto ra shalali by the I vay lima de paida ba a lopin ve bugo ane ni me don roko shi de la suspended animation vay mo bugo lot chi ka bile ane ni me don roko shi de chi ba de suspended animation bile one reason that when I ni me don lopi pulo de ni me don e tsu tra chi le va Lepaona pa mo ta election zo zo mo party zo mo vote pe mo de yu tsu ma ne你们的困难还为过少数辈的，你们都呢，四辈谁辈吧呢？你们都找了保镖啊，你们都上哪里开批不来？啊，还是啊，为对的是，你们都上哪海里开批不来的？你们都保带不来？找了说的 ，with these few words, I will conclude. Thank you so much. Lepaona Naga Union, a voice salutio, Poumai se du jeu. Lepaona Union salutio de ne avichipon na kaisule. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful words, your continued leadership and dedication. Your message has truly set a tone for this event today. And taking this esteemed opportunity, I would like to introduce our next speaker, our chief guest. He has been a minister for 3 consecutive tenures, 15 years in different portfolios and consecutive 5th terms from the NPF political party in 19 PEC SC. He is a smart, promising, and a prominent leader. He is none other than our respected Inaugural Azonino, Honorable MLA 19 PEC SC Government of Nagaland, and leader of the NPF legislative members NLA, and also, yes, leader of the NPF legislature party. So now I would like to request our respected sir to kindly come up here on the stage and address the gathering.
Leader of the day's program, Miss Bliss, Honorable MLA Ino J. Kumoj Shah, even though the Manipur State Assembly is being suspended, he's still the rightful MLA. He holds his ground, his place, and he is still your MLA. Guest of honor, Inotimika Koza, special guest, Inove Kosai Nekha, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, chief host, chief patron, village chiefs from the nearby villages, my friends from the NPF party and entourage, and my dear Poumai brothers and sisters in Christ. It's a great honor, it's a pleasure. At the same time, I'm humbled to be called here to be your chief guest for the Pau Leo Day. In the first instance, I believe we have to give all thanks and glory to God Almighty for adding one more day into our lives and allowing us to celebrate and honor in honoring our common heritage that our forefathers share in order to allow us to celebrate this Pau Leo Day. And so therefore, I am on my own behalf and on behalf of the entire Nagas from each and all the nook and corners of the world, bring you special greetings on this Pau Leo Day, and we wish you a very, very happy, prosperous Pau Leo Day. As we come together to honor our forefathers, to respect our forefathers, and honoring our common heritage, we must remember Nagas are a big family if we can come together. In fact, if all the contiguous states, Naga inhabitant states, come together, we are going to be the largest state in the country. Isn't it a proud moment? History says it all. History is very clear that all the Nagas are but one family only. We have migrated from Mekelle onward to Kezakono, and there we have spread it throughout the world. Today Nagas are in Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Arunachal, Myanmar, and beyond. We have Nagas in Laos, we have Nagas in the United States, we have Nagas in Great Britain. Everywhere we have our Naga brothers. And we have a common dream, and that dream is to come together one day under one roof, under one administrative umbrella. And for that reason, my dear brothers, Poumai brothers,
Nagaland State Assembly have passed 8 consecutive resolutions in the Assembly for all the Naga inhabited states to come together. But it bear no fruits, nor it bear any results. It can bear fruits and results only if there is a divine intervention. Today, Nagas are like the Israelite story in the days of Moses. God promised Moses and the Israelites that he will reach them to a place called Canaan, a place where honey and milk was flowing within 40 days. But that did not happen. God did not backtrack. But instead of 40 days, it took 40 years because of the fact that the people backtracked. They strayed away from God. They forgot God. Today, Nagas are in that same position. We can come under one administrative umbrella. We can come under one roof as brothers if we put God first. Therefore, we need to put God first. With God, everything is possible. Without God, nothing is possible. Today, as we celebrate the past, let us embrace the present with humanity, love, affection, care, support towards each other by putting God first. And let us start working for a future together. How do we work together? Study the history. Learn the history. As I stated, history is very clear. We are one. Look at your culture, your habits, your dresses, your songs, your dances. We are all similar. Language also similar. Only in the pronunciation, the tune is a little bit different. Are we not convinced that we belong to one family? But today, Nagaland legislators alone, passing resolution after resolution, nothing will happen. Perhaps a time has come for the Nagas of Manipur also to voice out diplomatically. Perhaps a time has come for the Nagas in Arunachal, for the Nagas in Assam also to voice out diplomatically. Try to convince the government of India that we are not different, we are one family, we need to come under one umbrella. We need not pick up arms for this. We need not go to war for this. All this can happen with non-violence. God has promised to the Nagas that we will achieve our sovereignty. And I truly believe this will truly happen if we put God first. Perhaps our sovereignty has been delayed because of we humans putting God in the second bench and backtracking all the time, like the Israelites. As long as we backtrack, our aspiration to be together, our aspiration for sovereignty will be delayed. But all this can be expedited when we look into God first. I really want to thank our Poumai community for bringing me here on this very day to come and open my eyes, realize and regret for what I could not do for the Nagas. Like you, like me, all of us, let us start working sleeplessly, give our entire efforts in bringing the Nagas together to live under one administrative umbrella. Remember, no force on earth can stop our aspiration. If it is God's will that Nagas come under one roof, no human, no power on earth can stop it. But if it is not God's will, no matter how much we try also, nothing can happen. While celebrating this Paulio Day, while we honor our common heritage, let us recollect the past. At the same time, let us not recollect the bitter past and destroy a perfect future which lies ahead of us. We must learn to forgive and forget the past. To err is human, but to forgive is divine. With these few words, I wish our Poumai people a very happy, prosperous Paulio Day. And on my own behalf and on behalf of my entourage, I would like to contribute a small amount for this day to the organizers. I know the amount is small, but this is from the heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We are profoundly honored and grateful for your generosity of time, thought, and spirit. Your presence has truly made this event a memorable and significant gathering. Jo ili program hai akhai bhi tako sabule ano akhai bhi ko lumot zahi inu chiti tidi Lepaona bre. Jo inu have been a program sa thaiju telehi mai su kema hodza rama hodza Ji Paula Paumaju, Mama Pauketil Moju, Mama Sululihi Pauketulu Moju, Buluza, Masukemano, Nama Bega, Zulumuhi, Sumuhiga, no Bahaptavu, no Ramaji, no Makabodiza, Makubre. We have now come close to the end of the inaugural function, but before we part our ways and say our final goodbyes, it is my honor to call upon our respected Ino LT Ngovi Lana, Convener of Finance Committee, to deliver his words of gratitude. Sir, nuju tabatali po vulis kalolay.
Good afternoon, Honorable Chief Guest, Ino Kuzo Luzo Azonino, Honorable MLA, Government of Nagaland, Guest of Honor, Ino Timika Kozo, President, TPO, Honorable MLA J. Komosa, Member of Legislative Assembly 47 Karong SC, respected special guest Vikasaji Nikha, and respected union presidents, tribe leaders, dignitaries, and all the people present here. On this momentous day, in front of this great multitude, I, on behalf of the Pauli Day Celebration Committee, would like to take this privilege to thank some special and few people and organizations who have journeyed extra lane, donated graciously, and worked tirelessly towards the success of this event. As the saying goes, woman makes plans, but it is God that success comes from. So firstly, I would like to start by thanking God, our Almighty God, for making our plans into a reality on this auspicious day. Secondly, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Sri Kuzolozo Azonino, Honorable MLA, and the leader of the NPF Legislative Assembly, for accepting our invitation to grace this momentous event as the chief guest. We acknowledge you, sir, as a great leader and the right person to be our chief guest for today's event. We thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. This kind of joys will foster trust, strengthen the fabric of brotherhood as we grow together in the long run, anticipating your support and cooperation even in the days ahead. Once again, thank you, sir, for the kind presence. Thirdly, I express my profound gratitude to our guest of honor, Sri Timika Koza, President, Tinami People's Organization, and Inaugural Nikia, President, Tinami Union, Dimapur, and also to the Poumai Naga Union Presidents and his executive, and to our brother Mau Council, Maram Union Presidents and his colleagues, Inpui Naga Union Presidents and his executive, and also to Thangal Union and representative, the Angami People's Organization and the Chakisang People's Organization, as well as the Rengma, Hoho, Puchuri, Jalenong, Baudi, for setting aside your valuable time to be with us on this momentous day. Thank you all for your presence, sir. Chỉ đầu pu lại một đầu kia, tàu Poumai tàu Lepaona tàu du tây thì hay của du vay su du nước vì bây giờ Levano mai tàu lý gì cả lu du bom xí re. Tàu Poumai Mau mai Naga mai ta Nagaland về du sum re no. Manipur है बुमा है न लाई तो लगी सा है माहे नो खालो न जाए पु किरो काय थाई नो न काउज वही सुनो प्रोग्राम सोलु नो सा ताउली सोलु नो न काउगी सौदालुम नो आताउ इताउ मिली है दे काउ September October hay no activate so pa no nơ ri de no finance committee de nơ pa du pa với hay no ta với telipi Lepaona chỉ du gì cái ni le cái mai chú hai vì lâu mai tàu lì bure vì lâu má tàu lì bure nên mai tàu mai tây thì finance committee về thao số Lepaona naga union về thao số dưới tây thì bây tây huka Lepaona hai vì lâu mai tây thì thao số nó cá lu rê đâu nè nên mai tàu bây ra mình bây hai về thiêu đâu nè ý bảo sư phụ bùi ý tàu Poumai thái phân ở ý tàu honorable MLA thái số nó lại dù 47 karong về MLA có một sao asa nên lại cái này bà functional president sao vậy đó giúp puno except sao vậy bạn kalure bua functional president đó giúp sere ý tàu sanasiki sao vậy đấy chỉ muốn là giúp puno thầu pu vậy lại đó sơ cái yêu khu mua mà lại cái khu mua puno bay về yêu tây thia ý tàu chỉ muốn về pu khu hay lại để pu sơ cái asa bay về bạn kalure đó sarhe bảo sư ngọc pu bùi yêu ấy tàu vì lâu mai tây thì theo đó mà chỉ là vài luôn đâu bảo mất ta hết đâu ấy nó bảo luôn một số women mai tàu executive mai tàu lớp bảo nó tụi mai tàu chỉ là vài về bảo mất ta về mai tàu thì vì lâu mai lì nó chỉ bảo luôn ngài hay mà你们都配备收到那也保是俺们tàu xe mà tàu với tàu rê tàu bảo vệ tàu na e nên mấy tàu hết đi quay sông nữa đại số nó cái đó e tàu bị hao số giá số nó prepare sau đi tàu na e bảo sông ngầu nữa e rát chia đi bảo ngầu nữa ni tàu dây nuông là e cycle kí số mấy giờ kí mấy kí lâu cái cycle nó ta bay nay lì khai driver kí mấy kí cháu kí gia vụ khu bê hết nó driver mai gì cái bà cái sau khá khu với nó vắt tao ta tay, bút chỉ khai了招了，国家mai bộ Assam mai lẽ hay là gia vụ khu với chứ quốc gia mai bộ nó đại bảo, hậu bra đâu cái, hậu tê đâu mà, mai giờ mai cái khu bay khu tàu chứ tàu xe mà tàu với đâu bảo này bộ hậu tê đâu vậy chứ, nó hậu chứ le mai ba chứ tàu xe mà tàu với đâu bảo gì đâu cái, hồi đó tới cái hậu tới đi hậu ra đâu vậy mà, tại cụ về lại nó ít tao số họ về lại nó asa vậy sự nó tàu lu tàu về đó là bảo sinh ngầm nữa đấy ít tao chú nó bảo cô ti lu mấy chứ village horse mấy tao bảo liêu để sau lại đấy đó nó khâu sự đại đó nó preparation hay rồi mai sau phải sau vào đấy đó nó dày một lại nó khai bazi ak kirau kauti kili kauti whole preparation sorry do know how to masau tauri do know vari do know vu phauju ali sau ai pe phawano host village Purul Atongba alia Rosef ngi ai nile kaluju pasu ngau pu boy e so nó bảo cô tilumu nó hay là ít tàu chief host, alia chief patron hay bảo lum re, mà số câu gì đâu rồi, dù hay chief patron nó vai lại, pu với van nó ít tàu hay mai số vào rồi lại, tại vì van nó ít tàu mai số, nó nên mai tàu hay mai số thao số nó chief host sẽ cả lục bảo bùi, chief patron hay diamond patron gold silver tại đây bây nó gì lâu mũ ta mà hay bằng ngọc khai su đó nó lì xê souvenir hay gì rất thầu lại được rất thầu bay su đó nó thì lại ngầu lạc bay mà mày tàu được bùi chứ tại mà ván nó mày số thao số cả lũ du này mày tàu hay bảo số ngọc bùi dù tại thế hay beta ta và lũ du sau lũ du hay registration mai re guides mai re light and sound media ni mai tao lom le je itao khau vu khau tu khu ki tai thom wa bu bu le ni mai tao so tao so no myself value the no arrangement so we ali lip so we van kalure do na e organizing committee tai tu pe no all finance committee we thau so no pau pu tai ki itao pau li de he de mai sa pe se mulai no media mai tao mulai no hai no chief guest mai tao sa vi ma valai mo dai so no ge ne mai tao hal is valai mo chu ngi no vi mai tao ngi vi mai tao chairman secretary village authority mai tao ngi nau to po to zhe mai na mai ne tao vi va no I tao ne hai de yo hai yo mai yo vi lai na do ge ni tao vi va no success so lu do na e mai so de po no ka lu ju hai da pa su pa boy tai no akhai so no in conclusion let us give a big round of applause to all our guests, special guests, chief guests, functional president and all the tribe presidents and special invitees. Vakuno viju mai tau ze bubal and itao Lepaona tao bu mai la mai tao mai te ti la no ba khale kalure do na si so no tao pa ke let's give a big round of applause. Let us stand up. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Kaloshe have been akhavi kalochi pawivanu. Every great gathering leaves behind echoes of laughter, moments of reflection, and memories we carry forward. As we draw curtains on this beautiful occasion, let us remember that its success wasn't by chance, but by the result of dedication, hard work, and the collective spirit of everyone involved through God the Almighty. With this, we have ended the inaugurational function. Thank you and have a good afternoon. And to our esteemed dignitaries, our chief guest, functional president, guest of honor, you all are requested to have lunch at Sir Sile Anthony's place. So after this program,